So here are my 2-foot by 4-foot panels, obviously 4 feet high. My picture window is 4 feet by 4 feet, so this is going to take up just about the entire picture window. Now I do need a little bit of room for the solar panels. So I'll put the solar panels at the bottom for 2 reasons. Number one, a lower center of gravity. These will be more stable if the weight is down below. And second, this hole right here is the intake hole. Okay, our fan is right here, and so the cool air comes in here and will have a tendency to cool the solar panel, because the solar panel sitting in the sun, they get really, really hot. Now let's get a close-up. You can see there's a cardboard divider here and here and here. So the air is going to come in, go across the panel, come up this way, and exit out that hole. Let's take a look at the other side. So here's the other side. I taped the 2 pieces together with packing tape, and then I took some spare cardboard and I made a base for it. And with this square shape here and this nice wide base, we have our X, Y, and Z axis well supported. So you can see the wire comes through the cardboard and runs up to the fan. These are blower fans. These give twice the airflow of the fans that you can see the blades in. So then what I'm doing is I'm using a couple paper towel tubes to direct the hot air into the room. What this will also let me do is I'll be able to direct the hot air in between the curtains, so I don't have to keep the curtains open all the way all the time. And that way all this will be hidden. So let's step back, take a look. Looks kind of funny, but they actually work pretty well. Here's my picture window. These same panels that you saw earlier. Now I'm going to experiment with making a paper funnel. That way I can close the curtain over, then pin it right there at the bottom. That'll look nice. Now, what you're hearing is the fan getting just a little bit of electricity from the sun. The sun, I'm not going to point the camera out there, but you can see the angle that the sun is hitting the panels at. So we're not getting full sun yet, and the sun is behind some trees. So in about 10 minutes, this will kick on. And what this does, this time of a little bit of fan noise and partial operation, gives the whole panel a chance to warm up, so that when there is enough sun to power that fan, the air that starts blowing is warm. And I'm going to wait a few more minutes for the fans to kick on. Like I say, about 15 minutes, the sun will come out from behind the trees. Like and subscribe, or I'll set this fella loose in your garage.